never felt this way before, and I swear this is true, and I owe it all to you.
Dirty bit.